Monday, they are coming to replace the roof. So here's the before. Today I'm here to clean up. There was some demolition done the other day that nobody cleaned up, so that's my first job to do today. I want to make sure the electric is off, and it is. So yeah, this is gonna be fun. So this is where we are right now. The ceiling was taken down, the plaster from the kitchen and the dining room, so I gotta clean this up. So checking out the old plumbing, it looks like mostly cast iron. This is the sink from upstairs. Oh man, and then this is the toilet here. And we still don't know what this used to be. Here. It's a mystery. Yeah, the floor here under the bathroom is pretty messed up. Looks like a lot of water damage. For sure. This is where the bathtub leaks. Where is the bathtub? Actually, this might be the bathtub here. Yeah, this is the bathtub here. And then the sink is over there, I guess. It's hard to tell, but this corner is where the plumbing is for the upstairs. And behind this corner here is the vent pipe. And I think we're gonna be able to put that inside the wall, hopefully. So speaking of inside the wall, it's so hard to walk around here. It doesn't look very thick, does it? I'm gonna have to measure that once I can get there. Yeah. So I just continue with cleaning. So far I emptied enough dirt to fill 4 bags. We're probably gonna have 2 more here and then a bunch more over there. So done cleaning up. This is what it looks like right now. The kitchen and the dining room. Ceiling's exposed. Now we just have to work on the walls. This thing is exhausting, so I can only do so much. I took down a couple of more bricks from inside the chimney, and they're ready to be covered. This roof is probably been leaky outside of the chimney as well. Inside, I discovered that there is like a big fireplace in the summer kitchen. And they just tried to cover it up with plywood. So I think what happened here is, at one point, this was a fireplace, and you can still see the hooks in there where they were hanging their pots. But on the other hand, there's also a hole for the stovepipe, so maybe at one point they just had a stove here. I don't know, it's kind of hard to tell what was going on because, again, it's just plywood that was covering it up. And there is a attic that I went in just to be curious, and as far as the roof is just, it's only the metal roof. There's no plywood really, so which is fine. And then there's stuff in the attic, but I couldn't really go up. Anyway, so definitely the summer kitchen's gonna need a lot of demo. Get rid of the chimney, the fireplace, replace the entire floor. I mean, this must have been raining in here and rotting it for many years. And of course we'll have to get a new door. Less than 6 foot tall door. So anyway, I'm done for today. I'm gonna wait for them to finish the roofing, and then we're gonna continue with the demo, because once the roof is done I can get a dumpster brought in, and then we'll be able to start filling that up with existing junk and future junk. So until next time, see ya.